Hi students, my name is Genevieve Ayala and I'm a counselor here at ELAC, and I am going to show you how to access your Canvas portal. So whether you're in an asynchronous course, a synchronous course, or even an in-person course, you will have access to a Canvas shell where your professor will put announcements and different, assignments and things like that. If you're in an asynchronous course, this is where you are taking your course through the Canvas portal. So let's take a look. So if we come to our student portal, we're going to go ahead and click, if we come to our elac.edu website, go ahead and click on register. It'll take you to your student portal, which looks like this. Right here, you're going to see Canvas. That's the Canvas portal. You click on it and it'll show you which courses that you're registered in. As you can see, I'm not registered in any courses right now because I've already, transferred from ELAC many years ago. But if it looks like I did sign up for online tutoring and that's still there. Now, if you're like, I signed up for these fall courses and they're not in my Canvas portal yet, that's because the professor hasn't posted the shell yet. Many times the professor will post the shell on the first day of courses, whenever the semester begins. Sometimes it'll get posted a few days early, but for the most part, it will be posted on the first day of courses. I hope that is helpful, and I look forward to seeing you during the next counseling tutorial. Have a good one. Bye.